Come to North Grand High School. North Grand has one of the highest graduation rates and college entrance rates in Chicago. The NGHS counseling staff assists all students in college, and NGHS graduates attend Paul, Northeastern, and many other highly competitive colleges. North Grand alumni have received full four-year scholarships through the Gates Foundations, Johnson & Wales, and many other scholarships and honors. Here's what else we offer. Students participate in extracurricular activities like Black History Month, where students performed an assembly. We also have a great culinary arts program. Students have been featured on local news programs. Students also give back to the community. This is our third annual toy drive. We also have great staff-student relationships. Here is the staff versus student flag football game. Students also have the option to participate in Allied Health, which helps train future doctors and nurses and others who want to go into the medical profession. Students can also participate in iMentor, where students are partnered up with a member of the community that mentors them in high school and through college. We also have a great music program. Here students are performing at Loyola University, Our academics are also very creative and rigorous. Here, a student is participating in a mock election. Students in English class here are participating in a mock debate. Academics here at North Grand are above and beyond. We also have tons of sports opportunities.